Hey guys, so I've started my new Honda Element camper build, and I got a lot of crazy ideas for this camper. And I don't think I could do it all, not in this one build. I'll probably end up doing it all, but not all in one. But one thing I do want to try on this crazy build is I want to use um, this water heater. And this is a sprayer water heater. It's, for outdoor showers, but I want to use it for the sink too and the shower. So first, we're going to take a look at it to see what it's like, and then I'll try to find a way to implement it in the back of this camper. Okay, so this is a BougeRV propane portable heater, and I think it's primarily meant for a shower, but for my sink as well as using this for the shower. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, looks like the sprayer hose. Okay, pretty good looking, fancy shower hose, and this is plastic, so it's light. Okay, power cable. All right, propane adapter. It uses these 1 pound propane bottles, so it's not big, which is good. All right, looks like a pump. This is what you would put into a water bucket or something like that. Okay, wall outlet type cable. So you could plug it into a AC port, or it looks like a DC port. You have the option. I plan to use it DC. Okay, and looks like maybe a hose holder. Okay, let's these are the accessories it comes with. All right, let's take a look at the unit itself. Okay, you can see the unit itself is not too big, and that's why I think it'll work. Manual. Let's see. Okay, here's the front of the unit. Two water ins. Water in cold, water out warm. That's the idea. Here's your 12-volt port. Okay. Pump. Oh, there's a 12-volt in and there's a pump input. And your fuse, if you blow, and it looks like you could dial in how hot you want it. All right, let's give it a shot. All right, so looking at the manual, there's a lithium ion battery in this unit. So there's a rechargeable battery. So this is what you plug in to recharge the battery, and this just powers the pump. So you could actually turn off the lithium ion battery. That's pretty cool. So it's actually quite portable. You don't need to bring everything. When you want to use it, you can take it around the campsite too, and to your shower area. So that makes sense. All right, so I plugged in the power cable, and I'm recharging the battery while I'm setting everything up. This is not an input. This is actually a power output. And what you want to do is plug this power output into your pump. Plug that in. Get that ready. It's a good long power cord to your pump. Next up, we'll plug in the shower. Next, we'll plug in the water into the, the pump hose into the blue, which is the cold water. Next up, we'll plug in the shower head, which is the red hose. Then we will connect it. It's like there's some extra washers too if any of your washers go bad. Okay, next up, we're going to install the propane tank. First, we'll connect it here. Okay, and the adapter is back here. All right, so that's the way the propane tank sits in the back. It does sit suspended. All right, so we're going to install the shower bracket. I think they make it for you to just put it right here. All right, that goes like that. All right, there's a better look at what it looks like. Okay, I think we're ready to get a bucket of water and give this thing a shot. Right now I have the AC plugged in, but of course you can use the DC plug using a cigarette lighter adapter, which I have over there if I need it. All right, so I got a bucket of water. Put the pump in there. Let's see. Turn it on. Not sure how to work this. Working for the first time. I'm going to just turn in the middle. Let's try it out. Turn on the pump. Okay. Not sure if you can. Oh, shoot. Let me turn that off. So not sure if you could hear it. There's some ignition and you could hear it. The propane going off. Cool. Let's see. Just there. So it went on when I turn. As soon as I turn it on, it turns on the igniter, and you could hear it going, and it heats this up. Let's look at the stream. Wow, oh wow, that's really warm. That is very warm, actually. You turn it down. All right, wow. You can see it's 102.99 now, 97. Okay, so I turned it down, and okay, now it's not hot anymore. It's just warm. So let's see. I turn up just a little bit. Okay, now it's getting warm again. Wow, this actually works really well. Let me take a look at that stream that it's outputting. Put some water back in the tub so I don't have to use it all, but that that is a serious shower. Let's see, just different types of okay, so this is more of a water saving if you do something like that. And the igniter just went on to turn on the heat again. So when it needs more power for the heat, that's what it does. Wow, that's really cool. Turn off the pump. The water was getting up to 118. You see the shower icon going. This is on and off. Okay. Wow, that actually worked really well. All right, so you saw how well it works. So now what I need to do is I need to find a way to implement it into my camper build. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this. And if you're interested in this camping cooking drawer, let me know. I will not be using it in my next build. So if you have a Honda Element, it should fit pretty well. You can't have the stuff inside of it, but you could have the wooden drawers. But so I want to build my cabinets and stuff right here. And I want to build around this unit so that I can integrate it within what I'm doing. I'm going to try to use this faucet in a way that I could leave this unit in the car, which is 99% of the time, but I could take it out also when I want to take an outdoor shower or anything like that. And I want to use this faucet as the water hose too for my sink that's going to be inside my car. So that's going to be the challenge. So I'm going to use this unit and I'm going to build around it so that everything looks good. That's in another video.